Introduction to C++ language. C++ is a powerful high-level programming language that was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup in the early 1980s as an extension of the C language. It is often referred to as a middle-level language because it combines features of both high-level and low-level languages. C++ supports object-oriented programming, OOP, which makes it highly versatile and widely used in software development. Key concepts in C++. Object-oriented programming, OOP, is the cornerstone of C++. It revolves around the concept of objects, which are instances of classes. A class is a blueprint that defines the properties, attributes, and behaviors methods of an object. The four fundamental principles of OOP in C++ are encapsulation. This concept involves bundling the data, attributes, and methods, functions, that operate on the data into a single unit called a class. Encapsulation hides the internal workings of an object from the outside world, allowing for data hiding and data protection. Inheritance. Inheritance allows one class, called the derived class, to inherit properties and behaviors from another class, called the base class. This promotes code reuse and establishes a natural hierarchy between classes. Polymorphism. Polymorphism enables the same function to behave differently based on the object that calls it. In C++, polymorphism is achieved through function overloading, same function name, different parameters, and operator overloading, customizing the behavior of operators for user-defined types. Abstraction. Abstraction involves exposing only the essential features of an object while hiding the complex implementation details. This helps in reducing complexity and improving the focus on relevant aspects of the program. Data types and variables. In C++, data types define the type of data that a variable can hold. The basic data types include int integer, float, floating point number, double, double precision floating point number, char, character, and bool, boolean. C++ also allows the creation of user-defined data types using structures, unions, and classes. Variables are named storage locations in memory that hold data of a specific type. Variables must be declared with a data type before they can be used in a program. Functions. Functions in C++ are blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help in breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. A function can take inputs, called parameters, and return a value. C++ supports several types of functions, including inline functions for performance optimization, recursive functions, functions that call themselves, and template functions, functions that can operate on different data types. Control structures. Control structures in C++ determine the flow of control in a program. The three main types are sequential control. This is the default mode where statements are executed one after the other in sequence. Selection control. This involves making decisions using structures like if, else, and switch statements. Iteration control. This involves repeating a block of code using loops like for, while, and do while. Pointers and memory management. Pointers are variables that store the memory address of another variable. They are powerful tools in C++ for dynamic memory management, which involves allocating and deallocating memory during runtime using the new and delete operators. Pointers also enable pointer arithmetic and are crucial in working with arrays, strings, and linked data structures. Standard Template Library, STL. The Standard Template Library is a collection of pre-written classes and functions in C++ that provide data structures, like vectors, lists, queues, and stacks, and algorithms, like sorting, searching, and manipulating data. STL is template-based, which means it can work with any data type. File handling. File handling in C++ allows programs to read from and write to files on disk. This is done using file streams like ifstream, input file stream, upstream, output file stream, and fstream, file stream for both input and output. File handling is essential for storing data permanently and for data retrieval in future program executions. Exception handling. Exception handling in C++ is a mechanism to handle runtime errors gracefully. The try-catch block is used to catch exceptions, errors, and handle them without crashing the program. This ensures that the program can continue to run or terminate gracefully even when an error occurs. Real-life use cases of C++. C++ is widely used in various domains due to its versatility, performance, and efficiency. Here are some real-life use cases. Game development. C++ is the language of choice for many game developers due to its ability to handle complex graphics and real-time processing. Games like Unreal Engine and Unity are built using C++. Systems programming. Operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS have components written in C++ due to its close to hardware capabilities and efficient memory management. Financial systems. C++ is used in developing high-frequency trading algorithms and financial analytics due to its performance and ability to handle large volumes of data. Embedded systems. C++ is used in developing software for embedded systems, like automotive controllers, medical devices, and IoT devices, where performance and memory management are crucial. Scientific computing. C++ is used in applications that require intensive computations, such as simulations, data analysis, and machine learning algorithms. Conclusion. C++ is a powerful and versatile programming language that supports a wide range of programming paradigms, including object-oriented programming. Its ability to interact closely with hardware, along with features like pointers and memory management, makes it suitable for system-level programming. At the same time, its high-level features like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism make it ideal for complex application development. Whether it's building operating systems, games, financial systems, or embedded devices, C++ continues to be a language of choice for developers worldwide.